Welcome students. Today I am going to teach you the chapter number 2 of the class 10 of algebra quadratic equation. Firstly, what is meant by quadratic equation? A polynomial having a polynomial in in one variable having degree 2 is called as quadratic equation. For example, suppose ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the polynomial in one variable x and its degree is 2, and therefore this equation is called as the quadratic equation. And this form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, this is called as the general form of the quadratic equation. That is the general form of quadratic equation or standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and this is called as the standard form of the quadratic equation. In this, coefficient of x square term is a, coefficient of x term is b, and c is called as the constant. This c is called as constant. This is the constant value, and this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Then roots of the quadratic equation. Roots of quadratic equation. What is the roots of the quadratic equation? The value of variable which satisfy the given quadratic equation is a root of quadratic equation. For example, we take x square plus 5x minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. And suppose we take x as the 1. Then after putting the values of x in LHS, that is x square plus 5x minus 6, putting the value of x as 1 square plus 5 into 1 minus 6. Square of 1 is 1. Square of 5 ones are 5 plus 6, minus 6. Then 5 plus 1, 6 minus 6, 0. And therefore we get LHS is equal to RHS, that is the value of x as 1. This satisfies the given quadratic equation, and therefore this 1 is the root of the given quadratic equation. That is the value of the variable which satisfy the given quadratic equation is called as the root of the equation. That is, the given value of variable satisfy the equation. That means after putting the value in LHS, we get the RHS, that is 0, and therefore then the value is called as the root of the given quadratic equation. Now we start the practice set 2.1. In this, first example is given, write any two quadratic equations. It is open-minded question. That means we have to write any two quadratic equation having one variable and degree 2. I take second example. Decide which of the following are quadratic equation. That means we have to given some polynomials and we have to write which is the quadratic equation and which is not. For that, we must know the quadratic equation is having only one variable and highest degree is of the variable is 2. Now first example, x square plus 5x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the polynomial with one variable x and the degree of variable is maximum 2, and therefore it is a quadratic equation. Second, y square minus 5y is equal to 10. Firstly, we write this in standard form. Y square minus 5y plus 10 gets converted to minus is equal to 0. And again, this is the polynomial with one variable y. Its degree is 2, and therefore this is also a quadratic equation. Now, y square plus 1 upon y is equal to 2. It is not in the standard form. Therefore, firstly, we multiplied by this y to both the sides. We get on multiplying y to both the sides, we get y square into y square into y cube, 1 upon y into y gets cancel, that is 1 is equal to 2 into y, 2y. This plus 2y gets converted to minus. Now this is the polynomial with one variable, but its degree is 3, which is not 2. And for quadratic equation, the highest degree of the variable is 2. Here it is given 3. Therefore, the given is polynomial. It is not a quadratic equation. That means we write it is not a quadratic equation. Similarly, fourth example, x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. Again, to write the in standard form, this division x gets converted to multiplication. For that, we again multiply. On multiplying x to both sides, we get x into x, x square, 1 upon x into x, x gets cancelled, remaining is 1, minus 2 into x, minus 2x. Now this minus 2x gets converted to plus 1 is equal to 0. Again, this is the polynomial with one variable and highest degree is 2, and therefore it is a quadratic equation. Then fifth example is given, m plus 2 into m minus 5 is equal to 0. Firstly, we have to solve these two brackets. For that, multiply this m of the first bracket to the second bracket, each and every term of the second bracket. M into m square, m into minus 5, that is minus 5m. Then multiplied by this plus to the all terms of the second bracket, 2 into m, 2m, plus into minus, minus 2 into 5, 10 is equal to 0. M square. Now solve these two terms, minus 5m plus 2m, that is minus 3m, minus 10 is equal to 0. Now this is the polynomial with one variable m. Its degree is 2, and therefore it is a quadratic equation. Now sixth example. Firstly, so write in standard form, plus 3m gets converted to minus, that is m cube minus 3m cube plus 3m square, as it is minus 2 is equal to 0. Now solve these two terms, 1m cube minus 3m cube, that is minus 2m cube plus 3m square minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the polynomial in one variable, but its highest degree is 3, not 2, and therefore it is not a quadratic equation. And that is the second example. Decide which of the following are quadratic equations. Next example is, write the following quadratic equation in standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and then write the values of a, b, c for each equation. The first example is 2y is equal to 10 minus y square. We have to write this equation in standard form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That means in RHS we have to write 0 and all terms in RHS in descending order of the degree. Therefore, firstly minus y square gets converted to plus. This plus 2y as it is. This plus 10 gets converted to minus, and here we get 0, and this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now write the values of ABC. For that, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is, the coefficient of square term is a, coefficient of x term is b, and constant term is c. Now here coefficient of y square term is not given, that means we consider it as 1, and therefore on comparing square term, value of a is 1. Then comparing with the variable, we get b is equal to 2 and constant term as minus 10, and that is the values of a, b and c. Then second example is given, x minus 1 bracket square is equal to 2x plus 3. Before that, firstly we have to solve this bracket by using the formula a minus b bracket square, that is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Now solve this x minus 1 bracket square, that means we get x square minus 2x plus 1 on solving this bracket, then is equal to 2x plus 3. Now this 2x gets converted to minus. Write in descending order of degree x square, this minus 2x as it is, and this plus 2 gets converted to minus 2x. Then this plus 1 as it is, plus 3 gets converted to minus is equal to 0. Therefore, x square. Now solve this. Minus 2x, that means minus 4x. 1 minus 3, that is minus 2, is equal to 0, and this is the standard form of the quadratic equation. Now to write the values of a and b comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Coefficient of square term is not given, that we consider it as 1. Therefore, coefficient of square term is 1, that is a is equal to 1. Coefficient of x term is b, here it is given, which is given minus 4. Therefore, b is equal to minus 4. And last term is the constant term c, which is given minus 2. Then third example, x square plus 5x is equal to minus into bracket 3 minus x. Now minus this bracket gets converted to plus, or firstly solve this bracket. Minus into 3 minus 3, minus minus gets plus x is equal to x square plus 5x. Now x square plus 5x, this plus x gets converted to minus, then minus 3 gets converted to plus is equal to 0. Now x square, solve this. 5x minus x, that is plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the standard form of the given quadratic equation. Now to write the values of a, b, c comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now here coefficient of square term is 1. Therefore again a is equal to 1. Then coefficient of x term is b. Therefore b is equal to 4. And c, that is constant term, which is given 3. And that is the third example. Fourth example is 3m square is equal to 2m square minus 9. Now to write in standard form, all these terms in RHS gets converted to LHS. 3m square plus 2m square gets converted to minus 9 gets converted to plus is equal to 0. Now here solve this. 3m square minus 2m square, that is 1m square. Now m term is not given, therefore we can write it as 0m plus 9 is equal to 0, and this is the standard form of the equation. Or firstly here we write, firstly m square plus 9 is equal to 0. Now 1m square, m term is not given, therefore we can write 0m plus 9 is equal to 0. Now to write the equation with values of a, b, c comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now square coefficient of square term is 1, therefore here a is 1. Coefficient of variable with degree 1 is 0, therefore b is equal to 0. And last is the constant term, that is c is equal to 9. Then fifth example, for that firstly we solve the left hand side, multiply this p to the every term of the first bracket. 3 into p, 3p plus p into 6p, 6 as it is, p into p square is equal to minus 5. Now this minus 5 gets converted to plus 3p plus 6p square plus 5 is equal to 0. Now write in standard form, that is firstly write the square term, that is 6p square, then variable term, that is 3p, and then constant term plus 5 is equal to 0, and this is the standard form of the given quadratic equation. Now to write the values of a, b, c, again we compare with, on comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Coefficient of square term is a, therefore a is equal to 6. Coefficient of variable, that is b, here given 3, therefore b is equal to 3, and constant term is 5. Now sixth example, x square minus 9 is equal to 13. Plus 13 gets converted to minus is equal to 0. x square minus 9 minus 13, that is minus 22. Now to write in standard form, square term is given, constant term is given, but variable term with degree 1 is not given. Therefore, we can write it as 0x minus 22 is equal to 0, and that is the standard form of the given quadratic equation. Now to write the values of ABC, again comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now coefficient of square term is not given, that is we consider it as 1. Therefore a is equal to 1. Coefficient of x term is given 0 and constant term is given minus 22. Next example is determine whether the values given against each of the quadratic equation are roots of the quadratic equations or not. Two values of the variables are given and we have to determine that the values are co-roots of the quadratic equation or not. First example is given x square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0 and two values are given. Now we take for firstly x is equal to 1, LHS x square plus 4x minus 5. Now putting the value of x as 1, 1 square plus 4 into 1 minus 5. 1 square is 1, 4 ones are 4 minus 5. Now 4 plus 1, 5, 5 minus 5, 0. And in RHS we have to given 0 and therefore LHS is equal to RHS and therefore x is equal to 1 is a root of given quadratic equation. Now similarly for x is equal to minus 1, we again take LHS of the given equation x square plus 4x minus 5. Now putting the value of x as minus 1, square of minus 1 plus 4 into minus 1 minus 5. Square of minus 1 is 1 plus into minus minus 4 ones are 4 minus 5. 1 minus 4 minus 5, that is minus 9, and 1 minus 9, that is minus 8, which is not equal to 0, and therefore LHS is not equal to RHS and therefore x is equal to minus 1 is not a root of given quadratic equation. Second example is 2m square minus 5m is equal to 0 and two values of m are given. Firstly we take for m is equal to 2. Again we take LHS 2m square minus 5m, 2 into m square, putting the value of m as 2, 2 square minus 5m, that is 5 into 2, 2 into square of 2 is 4 minus 5 2s are 10, 4 2s are 8 minus 10, 8 minus 10, that is minus 2, which is not equal to 0 and therefore LHS not equal to RHS and therefore m is equal to 1 is not a root of given quadratic equation. Now second value of m is given 5 upon 2. Therefore for m is equal to 5 upon 2. Take LHS 2m square minus 5m. 2m square, that is 5 upon 2 bracket square minus 5 into m, that is 5 upon 2. Now 2 into square of 5 upon 2 is 25 upon 4 minus 5 fifths are 25 upon 2. Divide this 4 by 2, we get 2. That means 25 upon 2 minus 25 upon 2, that is 0. And therefore LHS is equal to RHS and therefore m is equal to 5 upon 2 is a root of given quadratic equation. Next example is if x is equal to 3 is root of the one root of the equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0, find the value of k. We have to given x is equal to 3 is a root of equation kx square minus 10x plus 3 is equal to 0. It is a root, that is it's this value of x3 is equal to 3 satisfy the given equation, and therefore substituting x is equal to 3 in given equation. Instead of x we put 3 in equation. Kx square, that is 3 bracket square, minus 10x, that is 10 into 3 plus 3 is equal to 0. Now k into square of 3 is 9, minus 10 3s are 30, plus 3 is equal to 0. K into 9. Now solve this. Minus 30 plus 3, that is minus 27 is equal to 0. Now k into 9, this minus 27 gets converted to plus. Now to find the value of k, this multiplied 27 gets converted to division, and 27 upon 9, that is 3, that is we have to find the value of k. Next example is one of the root of the quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0 is minus 7 upon 5. Complete the following activity to find the value of k. That is, you have to complete only activity. Now solution. Box is the root of quadratic equation. That is, in this box we have to write the root of the given equation, which is given minus 7 upon 5. Therefore here we write minus 7 upon 5 is a root of quadratic equation 5m square plus 2m plus k is equal to 0. Now substitute m is equal to, value of root is given minus 7 upon 5 in the given quadratic equation. Now putting the values of m as say minus 7 upon 5 in the equation 5m square, that is minus 7 upon 5 bracket square plus 2m, m that is minus 7 upon 5 plus k is equal to 0. Now solve this firstly. 5 into square of minus 7 upon 5, that is 49 upon 25. 25 divided by 5, that is 5. That means here on solving we get 49 upon 5. Now plus into 2. Plus 2 into minus 7 upon 5. Minus 7 to the minus 14 upon 5. Plus k is equal to 0. Now solve these two brackets. 49 plus into brackets minus 14 upon 5. Solve this. 49 plus 5. Sorry, 49 upon 5 plus into minus minus 14 upon 5. LCM is same. 49 minus 14, that is 35, and 35 divided by 5, that is 7. Therefore here we write 7. This plus 7 gets converted to minus, that is k is equal to minus 7, and that we have to find, and we completed this activity. Now I think you better understand these examples of practice set 2.1. If you understand this, like this and subscribe my channel.